Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my monthly Floerns video. I am going to be sharing 6 different pieces in today's video that are all, I'm gonna say, geared towards like New Year's Eve attire. There is, I would say, probably one conservative thing out of the whole bunch, but for the most part, these are what you would call like going out, outfits, tops, that sort of thing. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Krystal. This is a lifestyle channel and I put out 3 videos a week. On Sundays, I do Krystal's Kitchen where I share all the meals that I cook throughout the week. On Tuesdays and Fridays, they're anywhere from lifestyle to beauty, fashion, vlogs every now and then. But if that is something that you are interested in, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and let's get into this Floerns haul. So first up is a Sequins mini skirt. Now I'm pretty sure that I got everything in a size large because I was scared that they would be like too small or the material. Sometimes you just really can't tell whenever you're ordering things online. So I did go for a large and everything. And to be honest, I could have gone with the medium in this skirt. There is quite a bit of stretch. We have elastic around the waistband. And then the material underneath the sequins is stretchy as well. These sequins are not all one size. They're all different sizes. So it gives a little bit of dimension. And I like that they're like kind of like, they shift whenever you move, and definitely can hear you coming from a mile away because listen, so fun. This is going to be great for your New Year's Eve party. You can pair this with a turtleneck, some black tights and boots. If you're in a colder climate, it's still pretty warm here in Florida. We do get a couple of cooler days. But for the most part, it's still okay to wear and not have to bundle up. So this would still be really cute with like a halter top, maybe some strappy heels, you know, that sort of thing. But I would say this is definitely true to size. So go with your normal sizing because there's quite a bit of stretch. Next thing up is, to me, it kind of leans a little dominatrix, if you will. We have this faux leather, what is that, latex, like faux latex mini bodycon dress. Still really fun. It is strapless up top. Down the side from top to bottom are these lace detail. The laces are extremely long, so you can bunch it up, give a little ruching on the sides if you need to. I would say order your normal size. Again, I got a large, and I did have to, you know, of course, contour it to fit my body and get the laces just right. So that's one good thing about this. You can order, you don't have to worry about your size being too small. The laces are going to adjust to your body size and shape, and you can really get the perfect fit with this. I will have everything linked below in the description box so that you can check out further details. Next thing up is very similar to the first skirt that I shared with you, only this is a skirt. It does have built-in shorts and it has a zipper along the side, but this is also a 2-piece set and it comes with the matching top. So it is so cute. It ties at the top and around the back. This comes in multiple colors. Again, order your true size. I got a large and the top is a little big. I'll put this on right here just to kind of give you a little idea of how it's supposed to be. But be sure and stay to the end of the video because I do a try on portion and I show you how they look on me. Keep in mind my measurements. I am 5'5", roughly 150 pounds, give or take, depending on the day. And I am normally a medium. This is a large, and like with the first one, I should have went ahead and just got the medium, but I was scared that it was going to be too small. But there is plenty of stretch in this skirt, and it sits on your hips perfectly. Now moving on to a little more conservative piece. This is a high-low skirt. We have ruching along the waist, elastic at the waistband. And there is a slight ruffle with this A-line skirt. The front probably hits about the knees and the back comes down to probably about my calves. Remember, I am 5'5" and I am very short-waisted, so the majority of my height does come from my legs. So when you're watching the end of the video, just keep that in mind. This comes in black and brown. I chose the black because obviously I wear more black than anything. And I figured that I can wear this to so many different places, including church. That's one thing that I look for whenever I'm shopping for clothing, is whether it's appropriate for church or not. You could also wear this winter or like during the springtime, and you can just adjust the top to the weather. So cute, very conservative, very modest. Moving on to the next piece, this is considered a going out top. It is a halter top with animal print. You have both tiger and leopard print, or that could be cheetah. I don't know, I can never tell them apart. We have this pearl embellishment in the middle holding the two together, and then the flowy fabric. Now this is see-through, but the top is double lined. It ties at the neck and the back. The strings are pretty long, so you can adjust it accordingly. This is a size large, and the reason I went for a large in this top is because I figured the large size would have a bigger triangle to cover the girls, and the medium would probably be a little smaller, so I decided to go with the large for that purpose. Now, the last piece for today's haul is so fun and unique, and I don't have anything like this, and I don't think I've ever had anything like this, but it is a halter top, but it's made of chainmail. Listen, like, this is not like fabric or polyester. I don't know what it is. It's like little silver chain pieces that are linked together. It is so cool. Again, I've never had anything like this before. I think it's so fun, very sexy. And then the top actually has kind of like a necklace closure with this little clasp so that you can adjust the sizing around the neck. And the back as well, it's the same little clasp, so you don't have to worry about things coming untied, that's for sure. Size this according to your size, what you want to show, how much you want to show, all of that. But I think it's so fun. I think this would be really cute with a black mini skirt, or maybe some like black leather shorts or something like that with a pair of strappy heels. I think that would be so fun for the summer or fall. I'm not really sure how you would wear this in the winter time, unless you just throw like a jacket on top, but still really fun. I'm pretty sure this does come in other colors. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in any of these pieces, I will have everything linked below and labeled, so it's really easy for you to find. I actually tried to label them in order the way that I talk about them in the video, so it's really easy for you to find. If you have any questions outside of that, feel free to email me, DM, leave a comment, and just ask me any questions, and I am here to help you. I hope that I have brought some new pieces to you, maybe some fun things. Maybe you have some fun, exciting events coming up with the holidays, and you need something fun to wear. But anyways, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.